we are reviewing something truly extraordinary. This is not just a pickup truck, this is a fully customized, show-stopping, aggressive metallic blue GMC pickup build that commands attention the moment you lay eyes on it. From the bold wide-body kit to the Lamborghini-style scissor doors, this machine is built to dominate the spotlight. In this detailed review, we're going from front to back, inside and out, covering every angle of this stunning custom show truck. Let's start with the overall exterior presence. The bright metallic blue paint reflects the showroom lights beautifully, giving the truck a premium, almost concept car appearance. The stance is extremely low, giving it that street performance attitude. The wide body kit makes it look muscular and planted, while the sharp body lines create a futuristic and aggressive identity. This isn't a regular pickup, it feels like a supercar transformed into a truck. Moving to the front design, the aggressive grille immediately grabs attention. The bold GMC badge at the center represents power and authority. The LED headlights are sharp and modern, with sleek daytime running light signatures that give the truck a robotic, high-tech look. Down below, the custom front splitter and sculpted air vents have even more sportiness. The lowered ground clearance enhances the visual drama, making the front end look ready to attack the road. Now let's talk about the most eye-catching feature, the Lamborghini-style scissor doors. The moment these doors lift upward, the entire vibe changes. It instantly transforms this pickup into a supercar-level show machine. These vertical opening doors aren't just about function, they're about impact. At any auto show, this single feature alone would gather a crowd within seconds. It's bold, dramatic, and unforgettable. Looking at the wheels and tires, the massive chrome alloy rims perfectly complement the wide body stance. The polished finish reflects the lights beautifully, creating a premium custom look. The low-profile performance tires enhance the aggressive character and give it a street racing feel. When this truck rolls, those giant rims spinning under the showroom lights create a powerful visual statement. Now let's poke the hood and check out the engine bay. The presentation is clean and professionally detailed. The layout appears organized, with neat wiring and custom finishing touches. This build clearly balances performance with show presentation. It's not just about power, it's about visual perfection. The engine bay reflects dedication, craftsmanship, and passion for automotive excellence. Stepping inside the cabin, the interior continues the premium custom theme. The sporty bucket seats provide a racing-inspired feel while maintaining comfort. The stitching and materials give off a luxury impression. The steering wheel feels performance-oriented, with a firm grip and a bold center presence. The dashboard features a modern layout, including a digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment display that enhances the futuristic vibe. Ambient lighting adds depth to the cabin atmosphere, especially under low-light conditions. Every detail inside feels intentional. This is not just a modified exterior with a stock interior, the cabin matches the aggressive personality of the outside. It's immersive, stylish, and built to impress both driver and passengers. Moving toward the rear section, the LED taillights maintain that sharp, modern identity. The custom rear bumper continues the aggressive styling theme. Even the truck bed area appears finished in a show-quality style, suggesting that this build prioritizes display and presence over heavy-duty utility use. This is a show truck first and a pickup second. In seeing an auto show environment, this vehicle becomes a magnet. The reflections on the polished floor, the overhead lighting bouncing off the metallic blue paint, and the upward opening doors all combine to create a true exhibition masterpiece. Every angle offers a new dramatic perspective. Whether viewed from low ground level or from a higher angle, the truck maintains its commanding personality. When it comes to driving presence, even though this is primarily a show build, the low suspension and wide stance would give it undeniable road dominance. This is the type of vehicle that, if driven on the street, would make heads turn instantly. It don't whisper, it announces itself loudly without saying a word. So who is this truck for? It's for someone who refuses to blend in, someone who wants their vehicle to represent boldness, individuality, and creativity. This build combines power, design, and showmanship into one complete automotive statement. It's not about practicality, it's about passion. It's about building something unforgettable. In conclusion, this custom metallic blue GMC pickup is more than just a vehicle. It's a rolling piece of art. It's a fusion of supercar drama and pickup truck strength. From the aggressive front fascia to the scissor doors, from the massive chrome wheels to the detailed interior, everything about it screams uniqueness and confidence. If you enjoyed this deep and detailed review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments how you would rate this incredible custom build. See you in the next review with another amazing machine. Until then, keep loving cars and stay passionate about performance.